dig into the final changes to iOS 12.2 Beta 6. Welcome everyone, it is Andrew here from AppleInsider, and we have our iPhone XS Max with the latest 6th beta of iOS 12.2. We've seen quite a few changes throughout this beta, and we're going to explore a few more changes that we got here with Beta 6, and then we'll talk about when we should see this actually released. On our phone here, if we jump into Settings, and then go down to General, and then to About, here we have a new section for AppleCare. In our case, it shows our current coverage, when it expires, or when it renews. In this case, it'll be renewing sometime in April. When you tap into it, you can see your coverage here on top, as well as your renewal date. Now, if you don't have AppleCare coverage, that's fine, you're still going to get some information here. You actually have a few different options, including purchasing that coverage if your device is eligible. So if you're completely not eligible for any hardware coverage, it'll tell you. And if you're eligible to pick up some AppleCare, it'll give you two options, AppleCare Plus or AppleCare Plus with theft and loss. Opting for the second is more expensive, but covers any theft or loss of your device. You choose the plan that you'd like, and then how you'd like to pay. Would you like to pay in monthly installments, or would you like to pay it out in full? Simply choose the one you want. It'll guide you through the checkout process to add AppleCare Plus to your device. Aside from viewing coverage and adding coverage, we also have official support for the AirPower wireless charging mat that is still yet to be released. AirPower will allow you to place 3 devices such as your Apple Watch, your iPhone, and a wireless set of AirPods. Any 3 wireless charging devices on the mat in any location, and it'll charge them up. Apple announced AirPower quite a while ago, yet we've still never seen it delivered, so this could mean that release is very imminent, possibly before or during Apple's March 25th event. There have been many other changes within iOS 12.2. We saw a new news app icon, some changes in the app, getting ready for the new service, some changes inside of the Wallet app, new additions for HomeKit televisions. Not only here within the Home app, we actually have a new TV category, we have support for HomeKit televisions, and a complete redesign of the remote app inside of Control Center. iOS 12.2 has come a long way, and we are likely to see a release very soon, possibly during or right after Apple's March 25th event, where they're expected to debut a new television streaming service as well as a new news subscription service. Enjoy that video? Click like and press on that subscribe button. Be sure to check out the Apple Insider price guide that has the best deals on Apple devices and is updated daily. Follow us on social media, and we'll see you guys in the next video.